Hold on, guys. Is this thing real in India, bro? Watch this video.
I'm in India right now, making basketball history.
About to go down. It's about to go down.
Is this thing real?
For the day I die, I'ma testify.
This guy is
I get those goosebumps every time. I need a Benzo. I need a ride in a Lambo. Yeah, yeah.
Let's go! That's how you drive. That's how you drive.
That's how you drive for real, bro. God, yo, is this thing real? I'm out.